Hello students, welcome to Sitaram IAS tutorials. So this video contains medieval history MCQs. The first question is, the city of Jaunpur was founded by. The options are Muhammad bin Tughlaq, D. Firoz Shah Tughlaq, C. Ibrahim Lodi, and D. Sikandar Lodi. So the correct answer is option B, Firoz Shah Tughlaq. Second question is, the first silver tanka of Delhi Sultanate was issued by. Options are A. Qutbuddin Aibak, B. Iltutmish, C. Razia Sultan, D. Ghiasuddin Balban. So here the correct answer is option B, Iltutmish. The first silver tanka of Delhi Sultanate was issued by Iltutmish. Third question, which one of the following represented the royal secretariat during the Sultanate period? Options are A. Diwani Ars, B. Diwani Insha, C. Diwan-e Wizarat, option D. Diwani Bharat. So the correct answer is option B, Diwani Insha. Fourth question is, during the region of which Delhi Sultan, the State Department of Translation was established for translating Sanskrit texts into Arabian, Persian and vice versa. The options are A. Sikandar Lodi, B. Muhammad Qutbuddin Mubarak Shah Khilji, option C. Muhammad Tughlaq, option D. Razia Sultana. So the correct answer is Sikandar Lodi. Fifth question, which one of the following names was not included in the Khutbah of Firoz Shah Tughlaq? Options are Qutbuddin Aibak, B. Balban, C. Qutbuddin Mubarak Shah Khilji, option D. Muhammad bin Tughlaq. So the correct answer is Qutbuddin Aibak, option A. Okay, in Khutbah of Firoz Shah Tughlaq, the name of Qutbuddin Aibak is not included. Sixth question, Balban failed to expand his territories because of. Options are A. Non-cooperation of nobles, B. Resistance of the Rajputs, C. Fear of Mongol invaders, and D. Revolt of his son. So the correct answer is option C. Balban failed to expand his territories because of the fear of Mongol invaders. Option C is the correct answer. Seventh question, which one of the following was not constructed by the Qutbuddin Aibak? Options are Qubatul Islam Mosque, option B. Qutub Minar, C. Adhai Din Ka Jopada, option D. Alai Darwaza. So the correct answer is option D. Alai Darwaza was not constructed by Qutbuddin Aibak. Eighth question, during the time of Alauddin invasion, Warangal was ruled by. Options are Chalukya dynasty, B. Chola dynasty, C. Kakatiya dynasty, and D. Yadava dynasty. So here the correct answer is Kakatiya dynasty. Okay, during Alauddin's invasion, Warangal was ruled by Kakatiya dynasty. Ninth question, which new department was started by Muhammad bin Tughlaq for the development of agriculture? Options are A. Diwani Risalat, B. Diwani Ashraf, C. Diwani Kohi, option D. Diwani Mustharas. So the correct answer is option C. Diwani Kohi is a new department started by Muhammad bin Tughlaq for agricultural development. 10th question, who among the following constituted Turkan-e-Chihalgani? Options are A. Qutbuddin Aibak, B. Iltutmish, C. Balban, and D. None of the above. So the correct answer is Iltutmish. Iltutmish is constituted with the Turkan-e-Chihalgani. 11th question, which one of the following sultans was an offspring of Iltutmish and was the last successor of his dynasty? So options are A. Ruknuddin Firoz, B. Razia Sultana, C. Muizuddin Bahram Shah, and D. Nasiruddin Muhammad. So the correct answer is option D. Nasiruddin Muhammad is the last successor of Iltutmish dynasty. Okay, Sultan's dynasty. So he is the son of Iltutmish. Option D is the correct answer. 12th question, who founded Agra? So options are Iltutmish, Firoz Tughlaq, Sikandar Lodi, and Ibrahim Lodi. It is option C. Sikandar Lodi has founded Agra. 13th question, Ibn Battuta visited India during the region of. Options are Jalaluddin Firoz Shah, B. Alauddin Khilji, C. Ghiyazuddin Tughlaq, and D. Muhammad bin Tughlaq. So the correct answer is Muhammad bin Tughlaq, option D. Okay. Ibn Battuta visited India during the region of. Muhammad bin Tughlaq. Option D is the answer. 14th question. Which one of the following sultan's currency continued as a medium of exchange till the time of Akbar? Options are Muhammad bin Tughlaq, D. Firoz Shah Tughlaq, C. Bahlol Lodi, and D. Ibrahim Lodi. So the correct answer is Ibrahim Lodi. 15th question. Important aspect of Turkish conquest of North India was the urban revolution. Who said this statement? Options are K.A. Nizamani, B. M. Habib, C. R.P. Tripathi, and D. Yusuf Hussain. So the correct answer is option B. M. Habib. 16th question. Nizamuddin Junaidi was the Wazir of. Options are A. Muizzuddin Gori, B. Kutubuddin Aibak, C. Iltutmish, and D. Balban. So the correct answer is Iltutmish. 17th question. Who among the following historians had accompanied Alauddin Khilji in his Deccan campaign? Options are A. Hassan Nizami, B. Minhaj, C. Amir Khusro, D. Ziauddin Barani. So the correct answer is Amir Khusro, option C. 18th question. Amir Khusro wrote his famous Masanavi Ashika on order of. So options are Alauddin Khilji, B. Kizra Khan, C. Rai Kharan, D. Rani Kamla Devi. So the answer is option A. Alauddin Khilji. Amir Khusro wrote his famous Masnavi Ashika on the order of Alauddin Khilji. Option A is the correct answer. 19th question. Which one of the following was not a slave of Muhammad Ghori? Options are Ikhtiyaruddin Bakhtiyar Khilji, B. Tajuddin Yaldaus, C. Kutubuddin Aibak, D. Shamsuddin Iltutmish. So the correct answer is option A. 28th question. The statement India is not Arabia, it is not practically feasible to convert it into Darul Islam is associated with. Options are A. Iltutmish, B. Balban, C. Alauddin Khilji, and D. Muhammad bin Tughlaq. It is option A. Iltutmish. 21st question. With which Sultan of Delhi do you associate the compilation of kingship theory and principles of administration called Vassaya? Options are Iltutmish, B. Balban, C. Alauddin Khilji, D. Firoz Shah Tughlaq. So the correct answer is option B. Balban. 22nd question. Which one of the following works of Amir Khusro deals with the military expeditions of Alauddin Khilji? Options are A. No Sifar, B. Khazain ul Futu, C. Miftah ul Futu, D. Kuaranas Sadain. So here the correct answer is option B. Khazain ul Futu. 23rd question. Who among the following scholars has been given the title Hujjat ul Islam? Options are A. Shah Wali Ullah, B. Abu Yazid al-Bistami, C. Shaikh Junaid, D. Abu Hamid Muhammad al-Ghazali. So here the correct answer is option A. 24th question. Which one of the following was not a currency in the circulation under the Sultans of Delhi? So option A. Dam, B. Tanka, C. Jital, D. Dogani. So the answer is option A. Dam. 25th question. What was the name of Jain saint with whom Muhammad Tughlaq held discussions? Option A. Rishabdeva, B. Hemchandra, C. Jinasena, and D. Jina Prabha Suri. So the correct answer is option D. Jina Prabha Suri.